Amos wanted to buy 9 pairs of socks but was short of $M. If he were to buy 6 pairs of socks, he would have $8 left. Part A, how much did a pair of socks cost? Express your answer in terms of M. If M is equal to 7, how much money did Amos have? Now, to do this question, we can draw for ourselves a model. So let's say this is the actual amount of money that Amos has, which is this particular model right here. And this is the cost of 9 pairs of socks. Okay, 9 pairs of socks, the model will be longer because he will not have enough money. So his actual money is not enough, he needs a little bit more to buy that 9 pairs of socks. So for 9 pairs of socks, the model will be a bit longer. Like this. Okay, this is for 9 pairs of socks, and if he does that, if he buys 9 pairs of socks, he will be short of $M. Alright, now if he were to buy 6 pairs of socks, he would have $8 left, which means this amount here is more than enough, right? The 6 pairs of socks will not even hit his actual amount, it will be only like this. Okay, so it will be a model that looks like this, whereby there is a balance amount of, how much is that? $8 compared to his actual amount. Okay, so the difference between 9 pairs and 6 pairs is over here. 9 minus 6, that will be 3 pairs. So 3 pairs of socks. We will be able to find out the cost of it. 3 pairs of socks will be $M plus 8. Alright, $M plus 8. Now if I want to find 1 pair of socks, $M plus 8 divide by 3. Okay, this will be our answer for part A. Now for part B, if M is equal to 7, how much did Amos have? Alright, so if M is equal to 7, the 1 pair of socks will cost him 7 plus 8 divided by 3, which is equals to $15 divided by 3. 1 pair of socks is $5. Okay, 1 pair of socks is $5. So for example, if you buy 6 pairs of socks, it will cost him $5 times 6, which is $30. But if he buys 6 pairs, remember, he will have $8 left. He will have $8 left. So his actual amount of money is $30 plus $8. That will be $38. Alright, now you can check it with 9 pairs of socks. If you were to buy 9 pairs of socks, okay, again, this is a checking step. If you were to buy 9 pairs of socks, that will be $5 times 9, which is equals to $45. But then he will not have enough money. He will have a shortage of $M. So you take away M is, what's M in this question? It's 7. You will still get $38 that Amos actually has.